Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the terminal block in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 1/4" nut driver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the lower access panel and toe panel to the frame. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the panels aside. Pull out the remaining insulation. Using the 1/4" nut driver, unthread the screws securing the junction box cover. Detach the cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screws to release the power wires. Next, use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the terminal block mounting screw. With the screw unthreaded, you can fully remove the block. To prepare the new terminal block for installation, confirm all 4 power wire screws are unthreaded. Insert the block's upper tab into the slot in the junction box, then thread the mounting screw. Matching white to white and black to black, align the power wires on the appropriate terminals on the new block and thread the screws to secure. Reposition the junction box cover and replace the screw. Realign the insulation. Now realign the toe panel and insulation. Then reposition the access panel and thread the 2 screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.